This is your daily price action forecast for January the 17th, 2013. And here we are, after a lackluster day in the markets. There was pips to be had if you had your vacuum cleaner out and you were vacuuming those pips up. But a few good opportunities on the euro yen. But all in all, fairly lackluster day. Hoping Thursday is a little bit better. So I'm thinking we're going to get some green here on the euro yen today. And the pound, at least for momentarily at some point during the day, as long as we can stay above 1.60 here. But everything else, I'm thinking we're going to get a green day and we're going to get a red day on the dollar index coming up. So let's take a look at the Euro USD. And we see here we're in the green zone. Today, really not a whole lot happened. We did have that short. Finally got up to about 33.25. Didn't quite hit 33.30, but was a decent short opportunity there for the New York session. So at any rate, the bottom side was around 60 again, and we're back at this 5 EMA. I think we're going to head up today, and I think it's going to be a decent day of heading up. So I'm looking for that green today and anticipating it. So on this euro, what could you possibly do? I think really here, just using a fib study, same applies to this euro yen trade that I'll be showing you. But I think optimally we're going to have a few levels around this 50%. Okay, and that's going to be continued short first off of this level, right? So that's, if you're a bear, that's what you're looking for the upcoming day. Because I think we're going to get a decent day of price action. And, if you're a bull, simply looking for this to come down, 32.60 would be nice, but I'm not sure you're going to quite get that. So about 70 to 85, and then looking for a long, and taking that up throughout the day. And the first area we're going to have some problems with is right around here. And that's going to be the top for yesterday, around 33.25. So have to watch that. But that's definitely not the target for the day. I think it'll head up, and then we'll get back to 33.50 minimally for the upcoming trading day. So we'll have to see if that pans out or not. And if you're a bear, then you're looking for the red zone here again, and they continue this short for the double bottom around 32.60. So playing a little bit safe on that side. If you're wanting to try to get that breakdown to 32, that next level I mentioned, then obviously that was probably going to be into the New York day on a continuation of the short. But I think it's time to have some green, and we'll see what happens. All right, moving forward, the pound, not much to talk about here. I think this is going to really correlate with the dollar index. So we could have a decent green candle tomorrow on the pound, but we're still going to be in trouble zone around 61 and so forth. So Aussie, I think this is going to be the day coming up where we will retest 106 and see if we're going to break it, right, and pop that area. Euro yen, looking for this to come down and give an entry about 107 or 117.05 to 117.15 on this. Let's look at the 4 hour on that. Okay, so really it's a fib from this area here. And there's a trend line sort of forming on the shorter term charts. Okay. And looking around this 61.8% fib for a long to have a green day on this. If you're short, you're either already in the short, which I'm actually in a short from New York, but it's really looking like I might have to close it if this does not head down. But I am expecting to get that entry around 117.05. Either way, so really this 117.50 area is sort of what I'm watching right now, but I am expecting to get a little bit deeper retracement, and there's been more than once where that euro yen has just taken off, so be aware of that, right? And to come down here and head up for the trading day coming up here on Thursday. So. All right, and sent a little bit more information out with a screenshot on that to the members. and it's on the group page. All right, moving forward, the oil it did go up today. It wasn't the smoothest move if you look at the 4-hour here, but we continue to make higher low situations here, and it feels like tomorrow, it's going to have to make a decision on what it wants to do, crude oil there. So I think it could be the breakout day, and we could flop one more time here. So watch for the flop around 94.5 still. So either way, though, it's been inching up, and it's moving to the right direction. It's not quite doing it with the volatility you typically would see in the crude oil market. So looking at the dollar index here, I think this is going to be a red day on here, as I've explained. Looking for this, maybe possibly to come up here and then head down and really do a fib of this move. Okay, so 79.50 is sounding pretty good on that. So direction wise, I'm a little biased today as far as what I think is going to happen on the charts, but there'll be trades in the other direction if you're thinking the opposite of me. But either way, I think there is some stuff setting up for a decent Thursday and a decent set of price action to come in, and really get these moves to happen. So gold, nothing new here. It's really looking like it still needs that pullback for the daily entry that we're watching out for. Alright, that'll be it. That is your daily price action forecast for January the 17th, 2013.